Hi class, I just wanted to check in with you guys and see how you're doing. I hope everybody is doing well. Sorry for the inconvenience of not being able to go face to face for the rest of the semester. A couple things I wanted to go over this week and reinforce is to let you know that your presentations are due by next week, and the sooner you get those into me, the sooner I can get your papers graded, because the presentation grade goes with the paper grade to come up with the 100 points possible. So we need to get those in as soon as possible. The other thing you need to know is that those weekly assignments that I give you are really not an optional assignment. Those really need to be done, and you need to send me your feedback so that I can create and formulate lesson plans based on what I think your grasp of the situation is. So please don't procrastinate. Get those back to me as soon as possible so that I can get those looked at and give you some feedback. Also thinking about doing a Google Meets or a Zoom meeting here in the next few weeks just to try something new. Just a quick check-in with you to see how everybody's doing. If we do that, we'll be doing it right at 6 p.m. at the start of class. Want to remind you, don't lose focus. End of the semester is not too far away, and you need to stay focused on all of your classes, not just this one. So don't let procrastination reach up and bite you and keep you from doing the things that you know you need to do. And the last thing I want to tell you is that take time Tuesday, if you haven't already voted, to go and vote. It's your right, it's a privilege, and at the same time, it's really kind of an obligation as a citizen. So take time to have some say in how the world is run, and go ahead and go vote. How you vote is your choice, but the fact that you should vote should also be definitely a responsibility that you should take seriously. Take care now.